Hey everyone, this is Peter from TalkAndroid. Happy to be back. If you've joined the Galaxy S24 club, you've got a powerhouse of a phone in your hands. So let's unlock its potential with these 12 awesome first steps. Did you know that Samsung defaults the resolution on your Galaxy S24 Plus or S24 Ultra to Full HD? No? Well, they do, but both displays are capable of showing QHD Plus resolution. And this is how. The first thing is to open up the Settings app, scroll to Display, there we are, scroll down to Screen Resolution, like so, and as you can see it's already preset to FHD Plus resolution. All you need to do is just tap QHD Plus, press Apply, and everything on your home screen will become that little bit sharper and clearer.